So it's good to have you back.
I don't know what to say.
I don't require much.
I'm so ashamed. You redeemed me and I just threw it all away. I just don't think I can do it.
Do what?
Live up to it. Repay you. How could I leave? How could I go back to the place I was? I just can't live up to it.
I just want your heart. A father just wants your heart. Give us that, and the rest will come in time. Did you really think that you'd never struggle or sin again?
I'm just so sorry.
Look up.
I can't.
You can. Look at me. I forgive you. It's over.